What's the meaning of bedfellow? Bedfellow. Bedfellow.
Bedfellow. Bedfellow. The term bedfellow refers to a person who shares a bed with another, typically for the purpose of sleeping. However, the term is often used metaphorically to describe an individual or group that is closely associated or aligned with another, particularly in a political or business context. The phrase originates from the idea of two people sharing a bed, and implies a close physical proximity and intimacy between them. In a figurative sense, the term can suggest a close collaboration or alliance between parties that are otherwise unrelated or divergent. For example, two companies may become bedfellows through a merger or acquisition, or political parties may form a coalition government despite differences in ideology.